Welcome to this Tech News Fix-It channel, and this is just a quick reminder that a new version of Google Chrome is now available. Chrome 88 was released today, Tuesday, January 19th, 2021, and this new version of Google Chrome has 88 security fixes. So this is a pretty high number of security fixes. Means if you want to stay safe, it's better to do so. And of course, it also removes two things that were a problem. It removes Flash Player. It removes also FTP. So if you want to get the latest version or know if you have the latest version of Google Chrome, go into the upper right corner in the three vertical dots, go into Help, About Google Chrome, and here you will be upgraded to version 88.0.4324.96, which is the latest version that's now available. So we've switched to a new version of Chrome. Once again, 88 security fixes that are in there. So there's a lot of problems. There must be a lot of critical and important flaws that could be already exploited by hackers. This is one of the main reasons why you want to keep your browser update and make sure that you have the latest version. If you want to know more about the features themselves, well, you can go to my Windows and Computer channel, and this is where you will find the details of the features that are available. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching.